So I'm not sure if I filmed this yet, but we are up in the pilot house, and they've finished the interior of the pilot house. And there's the back side, and we got the far walls there, and you can see we got a ceiling in and forward area. It actually came out looking really nice. Really happy with the work up here. And then they also have the day head pretty much completed here. Yeah, that day head and whatnot, and then going down there, got the vent in, but you know, day head came out really well, so I'm pretty happy with that. And of course our nice hole-free boat deck. I don't know if that's showing up at all or if the sun's probably blowing it out. But anyway, and now Jeannie, you can say hi. Yeah. And that's about it. Yeah, y'all take care. Bye.